loves, so welcome back to my channel. It's laqueen. So if you don't know, then now you know. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the push notifications bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video, whether it's about college, lifestyle, beauty, hair, or anything else I feel the need to share. So let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to show you how I install my wigs using only Pump It Up Spritz. Hair Spritz. That's it, that's all. That's it, that's all. No GOT2B freeze plate, no GOT2B glue, none of that, okay? We just using the old school stuff. And I'm going to be installing this wig that was made by me a long time ago. And it was poorly made, but that's okay because you can't tell. And if you want to know how to maintain your curly hair, I will have a video uploaded and posted about that. But yeah, look at it. Look at this. This is our Beauty Forever hair. In Malaysian curly, I have a 14-inch frontal, 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch bundle. Yeah, let's take it. Okay. So you're gonna take your cap. There you go. We're gonna set it right there. Let's get a little comb. There we go. Combing them edges back. I kind of lied, but we're gonna use some gel. You can use any gel that you want. I'm just using some extreme because that's what's right here. And we're gonna put that on our edges, just so we can further slick them back. You can use the Pump It Up Freeze Spritz stuff to slick back your edges and stuff, but I don't really want to, so we just go. Y'all make sure y'all, that little corner right there, make sure y'all get that. You got sideburns, make sure you swoop them sideburns up, or else you gonna rip them off and be bald head, just like me. So now you're gonna take your cap and you know, make sure it's there. You're gonna stretch it and bring it down to like your eyebrow. Some people, if you're doing it on somebody else, you can put it over their eyes, but we gotta see. So we just gonna put it right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Pump It Up Spritz. Okay, kind of spray it a few times through to getting stuck. I'm gonna start in the middle section. And you're gonna dab. Okay, you're gonna take it and you're gonna spritz. You see how I'm going? And you use your fingers to go along your hairline. Don't let this stuff drip all the way down because your stocking cap gonna be stuck all the way down. And if you try to lift it, it's gonna be a disaster. So just spritz and use your finger to guide it as you go along. And look, make sure that's down. Actually, let me go ahead. I really don't be cutting out my ears, but we're gonna cut them out today because everybody and their mama be cutting it. And you just need to cut like a little tiny piece. You don't need to be cutting a big hole because it's gonna rip your stuff all the way up. You see how mine's been ripped? That's because you just need a tiny hole. Don't cut no big old hole because you don't need it. You want to make sure all this glued down. Take your blow dryer. And we're gonna go back with one more just to make sure it's secure. gonna take some makeup and whatever is closest to your skin, and I'm just gonna use this Morphe palette and use one of these little shades. I'm just kind of doing like the parts that's gonna be showing. I'm gonna be wearing the middle part. Now I did that. Everything seemed to be sticky and dry. You're gonna take the scissors and just cut this. This ain't no lace. Cut your cap. Now to lay the rest of it, we just gonna take our little GOT2B. No, just kidding, this ain't no GOT2B. And just this little extra around a bit. Okay, so now you're gonna take your wig. I put a little bit underneath, not really that much. We're gonna slide it on there. Make sure this is where I want everything. So now we're going to take the GOT2B, I keep saying GOT2B, to pump it up, and spritz it in the same motion. Take everything is down. Everything is nice and secure. And now we're just going to style and part the wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of my Insta haul. The wig ain't going nowhere, y'all. Pump it up, and it's not even just in this bottle. Like any of the pump it up by the it's a B&B. I think it's Bronner Bros. I think that's the brand. I don't know, but I will put a link to it from Amazon. in the description box down below so you guys can purchase you some. Y'all, like this, when I have been to a dance class using just this, I mean, swinging my hair, everything, sweating, wig stays secure. And then y'all know in this Louisiana weather, baby, be hot, we be sweating, wig stay secure. I mean, it has lasted me like 2 to 3 days, and that's just not even doing as much as I just did for the sake of this video. Like, wig will last you for days. For days. Now, don't be hopping in a pool or nothing, but for like day to day. And this is especially good if you change hairstyles, you switch your wigs, you take your hair down often, or you don't want to basically waste your time and your money using like actual like glue that's meant for like your lace, like lace glue, because you know that's supposed to last like 2-3 weeks, you know, 3 to 4 weeks, depending on who do it, what you have done and stuff, and how well you take care of yourself. This is something you can do at home and it lasts, because I'm gonna tell y'all now, that GOT2B, the real ones know it do not last, it do not hold. You do a little sweat, your wig is gone, lifted, unsecured, over with. But you gotta be over here sweating and it be still laying. It be laying.